Mukesh Chopra. I'm from Orchid Dinex. This is my company's brand name, and we are based in Delhi, and we have two showrooms. One is in Delhi, one is in Kundli. We started our company in 2004. It has been very pleasant and very big journey for us because we have developed so many products since then. Since 2004, when we started our company, we were only selling catering display products and catering themes. We were the first people to start selling catering themes, and then since then we have added so many products, almost 20,000 products, and we have a ready stock of those products. We are sourcing from all over the world. We are sourcing from 7 countries, and we are sourcing from India. We are also manufacturing table counters like buffet risers and some themes for chefing dishes and several other products. We are actually a one-stop solution, a one-stop shop, I should say, for selling all buffetware for your hotels and catering props, catering themes and products which are used in front of the house products basically, and which can be used for display of salads, fruits, live counters. We are selling chefing dishes. We are selling almost every material in buffet bowls. We have our exclusive is woodenware. And you can just see our product. This is fine porcelain. So this is the toughest porcelain you can buy. This is from Pite, and this is from Spain, and the production is both in Spain and in Thailand. And this one is fully glazed body. And the best part about these plates is it is fully glazed body, and then it is aluminium and forged porcelain, and this is totally anti-chipped. It's very tough, you can just see. While washing, it is difficult to break. Chipped. It cannot be chipped. And we have beautiful colors in this. We have this APT color, we have this rustic white, and then we have jade color. We have beautiful colors. And then we recently have launched a new range, which is from Turkey. This is also porcelain, and this is also have the same characteristics of anti-chipped. This is a beautiful porcelain collection we have. We have different shapes, and you can just download the catalog from our website for this porcelain. It is orchiddinex.com, www.orchiddinex.com. I want to show you some of my products which are very good to use in catering. Like for example, these bowls, you can just have a look at these bowls. These are looks like and feels like porcelain, but they are truly melamine bowls, And we have a beautiful range in these bowls. We have beautiful elevation. Just look at these elevation stands. These are beautiful. These are manufactured in our own factory. And we have full display themes, and then these chefing dishes. You see, these are beautiful chefing dishes. These are hydraulic chefing dishes, and they can be put on in our own inductions. These are all commercial inductions with 1-year warranty from Dinex. So you can buy a lot of, we have many colors in this dishes. You can buy these dishes with these inductions. You see, we are continuously working to improve our quality. Number one, the products which we make or we sell are totally world-class products, and if any product which we are selling, it is the same product which has been selling in USA, which has been selling in Germany, and they are the same products we are selling here, in our company. So we filter the products and look at the food safety first. We don't sell, if it is like a cheaper product, we don't sell it. We only like to sell the quality products. My customers' feedback is they always like my products because of the quality. Customer जितने भी हैं वो सारे हमारे पास रेगुलर कस्टमर्स हैं, और वो रेगुलर हमारे पास आते हैं, और वो क्वालिटी के लिए उनको एश्योरेंस यहाँ पे हमेशा मिलता रहा है और आगे भी मिलेगा, क्योंकि हम लोग जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं उसमें क्वालिटी हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्राइम फैक्टर होता है, कि हम कोई ऐसा चीपर प्रोडक्ट ना बेचें जो देखने में बिल्कुल सेम हो और उसमें क्वालिटी नहीं हो। तो हमारा मेन यही रहता है कि हमारे को बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी देनी है कस्टमर को।